Hey there guys, AndrewCraft here with another modding tutorial. We left off last time working on, let's see, what did we leave off on? Oh yeah, we left off in the GUI electric furnace class, and we needed to finish up the draw GUI container background layer. So, we need to start off by we forgot something a while back. I thought I covered it, but I guess I didn't. We are just going to make a package called slots and then make the class called slot output. It's for a method that's in container electric furnace. Okay, so for slot output, it's going to extend slots, and then we're gonna grab public entity player, the player, just for laughs and giggles, and then public slot outputs, entity player, inventory, ID, int ID, int x, int y, super inventory ID, x, y. Public boolean is item valid, item stack, return false. On pickup from slot, entity player, item stack, this dot crafting, item stack, super on pickup from slot, player dot item stack, protected void on crafting, item stack, int count, this dot crafting is item stack. Sorry, I kind of went over that really fast, but I was trying to get that out of the way since we've already covered it. And sorry, my mouse died on me, so I'm using a really cheap mouse till my new one comes in. So let's jump back into the GUI class and continue what we were doing. Let's see. Where did we leave off? Oh yeah. Alright. Oh, come on, don't do this to me, mouse. This mouse is so bad. It keeps cutting in and out. X size equals 176. This dot mc dot get mc dot get texture manager dot bind texture, and we are going to bind GUI, and then we are going to go GUI util dot draw rectangle or rectangular, whatever, and then we are going to call it GUI left, GUI top. Alright, let's just put GUI left and GUI top, and then GUI left plus 8, and GUI top plus 8 plus energy bar size, so energy bar size minus, we're going to cast iEnergy, and then we're going to have tile entity dot get energy, what is it? Oh yeah, duh, we're getting the energy bar dot get energy bar dot get energy level scaled, and then instead of scale it's going to be energy bar size wait, let's see, what is wrong with this? Okay, we will look into that in a second, why we're getting an error. Okay, so then we need to put 176, 31, $16, and then we're going to grab, next after that, we are going to grab, we're going to cast eye energy again. We're going to cast eye energy and call it tile entity. Tile entity dot get energy bar dot get energy level scaled, and we're going to put energy bar scaled. And then that's it. What I did realize is we messed up at the very beginning. I do this a lot. Oh wait, no, we didn't mess up. Well, we kinda messed up. Which, it's my bad that I mess up. I do it a lot. So, we forgot a few things. So, let's put GUI util dot draw rectangle, and then GUI left. Oops. Okay, guess it doesn't want to cooperate. It's probably this mouse. Alright, GUI left. GUI top. And then 176. And then Y size. And then 256. $256 again. And then 0, 0. There we go. Next thing we are going to do is int energy bar, energy bar size, energy bar size equals 48. There we go. And this is actually not GUI stuff, or it's not GUI dot draw rectangle, it's this dot draw texture model rects, and then I'm just going to remove all the integers because we made the integers earlier. We just put the wrong thing. Okay. So all that's perfectly fine. Now we're going to go to, let's see. Oh, I know what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this middle x equals this dot width minus this dot x size divided by 2. Then this. Wait, no. I don't know why I keep putting this. These are integers. Int. There we go. And then int middle y equals this dot height minus this dot y size divided by 2. There we go. Now we are going to do if this dot tile entity dot is smelting we're going to do this dot draw check textured model rect middle X middle Y 176 0 14 14 and then we are going to add a few integers, so a few more things, plus 56, and we are going to add plus 36 plus 18. There we go. And then we are going to go int scale equals this dot tile entity dot get cook process scaled, and we're going to give it 24 as the integer. Next we are going to do this dot draw texture model rect middle X middle Y 176 14 1 and 16. Okay, now we're gonna add all the extra stuff that needs to be put in here. Plus 79 plus 34 and then second from the last on this one we need to put scale plus 1. There we go. That's everything done in this class. So let's see how good we're doing on time. About 13 minutes. Alright, so we will add it to the GUI handler. So the next thing you need to do is go to your GUI handler class and go up to the get server GUI elements, and we're going to do if ID is equals to GUI IDs dot electric furnace, and if we haven't created the GUI IDs for the electric furnace, which I have no idea, just go to the GUI IDs class and add electric furnace and just call it 1. Okay. And then we want to return new container electric furnace, and then we're going to give it a few integers of player world X Y Z, and then you're gonna have to import that, so you can just hit Control-Shift-O or right click and import, either way. And then we need to do if ID is equals to GUI IDS dot electric furnace. Oops, love when I do that. Alright, GUIs dot electric furnace return new GUI and then electric furnace, and then we're going to give it an integer of player world X, Y, Z. Okay, now let's just fix that. Import. Now let's go to the GUI electric furnace. Looks like we have a problem. Player world XYZ. Control Shift O. Alright, that's really weird. Let me just take a quick glance at this. Let's see, public, alright, player, world, XYZ. I don't see a problem. Alright, so let's just see what it wants to do. Oh. I don't understand why it doesn't like that world, but there we go. Oh, probably forgot a comma. Alright. The next thing we are going to do is, let's see how good we're doing on time. About 17 minutes. So I'm going to pretty much stop here, except I have made this video one other time and I kind of failed a lot, so I redid the video. One thing we had to fix, which I'm not going to show in the tutorial on how to fix it, you're going to have to fix it yourself, is in iEnergy class. Remember how we changed this method, get type of block? You need to use the search tool and find every time this is called and rename it where it has the capital O. Or when you launch the mod, it's going to fail on load. So that's one thing you need to remember. So all you gotta do, search for it, change it on every class. It's gonna be in the cables, probably in more of the energy networks. I have no idea. It's gonna be in the few blocks, I believe. I don't remember how many places I found it, but you're gonna need to change all of them. And then in the next tutorial we will register the block machine so we can actually test it the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos to see more. Goodbye, I guess.